All right, why is everyone buying this modern foldable Loveseat sofa bed? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon, selling hundreds of units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who bought it. So why is that? First and foremost, the number you're seeing on the page, the price point, that's insane. For this, should be way higher. So I love, it just comes in a, not like a tiny box, but a pretty relatively small box in comparison to what the size of this. It's a small box. You open the box up and it's vacuum sealed, so you cut it open and then it just puffs out. Don't have to screw anything in, don't have to build it. You just let it open up, and now all of a sudden you have this couch. So in the regular Loveseat fashion, you've got the cup holder section right here with the armrests. Now this can also be folded up and set back here. So now it's just a straight up Loveseat. Can also even be, you can like sit on it like this, lay on it, whatever you want to do, but that's not there. Could even fit 3 people there, depending on their sizes. Love the armrests back here, nice and sturdy, but also just comfy back here as well. Love the corduroy vibe. Nice pillow vibe right here too. But also what I love, so you got the Loveseat with the armrest and the cup holders. You got the Loveseat without the armrest and the cup holders. Let's go ahead. We'll pull out, turn this into a bed really quick. So we got this, pull this out. There we go. We got a bed. We got a sofa bed right here. And so obviously you can fit 2 people, potentially even fit 3 people. You got the armrests up. Let's put it back down. We got the cup holders. Great, very versatile. Can just shift up the vibe of the room. Very easy to also just move around. As you can see, very light. Can easily move it to shift up vibes. But I think this thing's amazing. I see why it's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Everyone's buying it. Everyone's loving it. I'm loving it. Highly recommend.